Hey, it's Guard here, and I'm just doing a little test on the new Furrion Chill Cube 18K. I'm pretending like we just pulled into a parking spot at the Cracker Barrel or the Walmart or somewhere. I've got the curtains all drawn down so we're not getting sun, but we are sitting out in the sun right now. It's kind of hot out there, and you know, when you sit in a metal box, it gets hot in here. So I turned on the Chill Cube. I have the temperature set to 77 degrees, and you can see right here that it's pulling 68 amps at 890 watts. And my battery's 96%, and I'm good for about 9 hours that way. So if we were to go to sleep right now, the air conditioner is going to run for a good 9 hours, but over the period of nighttime, the temperature is going to drop, so this will use even less. Because last night when I was looking at this, we were getting down into maybe 300, 400 watts an hour. But right now it's pulling 817, and it's trying to cool. And also
it's also 2:17 in the afternoon, where the sun's right above us.
Yeah, it's 2:17 in the afternoon, so it's hottest part of the day. And if I look at the volume, the noise level, I got an ad. When you use those free apps, you get ads. Yay. Okay. So there we are. 64 decibels. And the fan's on auto mode. So it's in the higher mode. If I were just to change that fan down to low, it's hovering right around 60 decibels, and you can see when I talk, just talking in a low voice, it's up in the 70s. So this is a very quiet air conditioner, and not only is it quiet, but look at the power it's using now. See, it's kind of slowed down a little bit. It says now that the air conditioner could run it at this level, and the refrigerator's turned on too. But I'm pulling 44 amps off my battery pack right now, and it would run for 13 hours. And that's with it being a 95% battery. At this end, I think it just slowed down a little bit more. It sounded like it reached its. Listen to that. It got really quiet. It did this to me last night. I thought it broke because it got so quiet. Yeah, when you're down to 50 decibels, 54 decibels, that's really quiet. And at the power level again, it's pulling 41 amps. That means the battery's going to last for 13 hours. That's pretty amazing. So I'm really happy with this air conditioner. The fact that we can pull into a parking lot like at 8 o'clock in the evening, we can go in and have dinner, or we can just eat dinner in the van with the air conditioner on, go to sleep, wake up the next morning, go into the Cracker Barrel, have breakfast, leave the dogs in the van, and come out a couple hours later and know that I still have plenty of battery left to run the air conditioner for longer. I mean, 13 hours right now. If this was 8 o'clock at night, that would give us 9 o'clock in the morning or so. Plus, it's going to use less power overnight because it's cooler out. See, right now I'm still using 537. And if I just emulate by turning this temperature up just to 79, I'm going to put it on 79 just to see what happens. Yeah, see, look at that. It's 34 amps. And now I'm good for 16 hours. 16 hours on a 600 amp hour battery. It's like you don't have to have the double battery pack if you have this. You can have a 600 amp hour battery and have 16 hours of air conditioning. I mean, this is under ideal situations. And the sound of it, decibel level.
And also keep in mind, this is it's 5 o'clock will be the hottest part of the day, so within about 4 hours,
it's going to get a little bit
it's
hotter.
going to be cooler. Well,
Yeah.
then it'll start cooling down at about 6 o'clock or 7.
Right, yeah, because right now it's hot out there.
Yeah, we got.
But look how quiet.
For the next 4 to 5 hours, it'll be running like it's running right now, but then maybe it'll be even less power usage.
And
7 o'clock tonight. We have high expectations for this.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, when you're talking and you see the little monitor there, just a quiet little tiny voice. I'm not talking real loud, and it's like 75 decibels. And when you stop talking, 54. Because if I were to talk really loud, this gets up there high. So it's pretty neat. We can watch television. We can just go to sleep. We can just relax, not have a loud air conditioner. The Truma was not bad, but this is even better. And I am really happy with this. And when you look at the power level, oh my gosh. To think that I could sit here for 16 hours with the air conditioner running is pretty amazing. I mean, if it was really hot out, you could always raise the temperature up. Like, let's say it's 105 degrees out. You can say, well, if I try to cool it to 80, it's going to take a lot of power. But you can set it down and say, well, let's cool it to 95 in here, because 95 would still be better than 105 outside. But if it's 105 outside and you're in a van, you really should probably be in the shade or be somewhere else, because it's miserable. But anyway, this is the new Furrion Chill Cube 18K. Really happy with it. I love the low power it's using. Oh my gosh, look at that right there. 30 amps, 19 hours. 19 hours on battery. Pretty amazing. So if you're thinking about getting a new air conditioner to replace a broken one, or one that's just really loud or uses a lot of power, look into the Furrion. And I bought this with my own money. The Furrion didn't give me this. So this is a real honest opinion of it. It's not a paid testimonial. But that's just the way I do things. I enjoy it, and I'll let you know about it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Go out and have a great day. See America. It's a wonderful place. Bye, everyone.